Now we have things that are called historical highs and historical lows. They're pretty self-explanatory, but let's take a look. Now this is the chart for Facebook, and Facebook IPO'd last year, and it's really traded until it reached the lower point here, which was $22.67, and that was the historical low point. So basically, Facebook never traded lower than this point, which is $22.67. And we have the same thing, but to the upside, which is the historical high. And you can see here, it's very good because we just recently reached a new historical high, which is of 64.57. So yeah, just keep in mind, those are things that are always very useful, and you can kind of get an idea of how the stock's been doing since its IPO. So Facebook having recently been offered to the public, we could see that if they just crossed a new historical high, and I think it actually did so. Yeah, it did so 2 days ago. So it's a very good thing. You could kind of suppose that Facebook has never done so well since its IPO, and it's a good sign. Now, the last thing I want to cover in this video is channels. Channels are basically two bars, or a channel really, in which the stock is always trading over a period of time. This is a pretty good example of a bullish channel or an upwards channel. So I drew both of my lines here, my channel lines, and for that period of time, from around here all the way here, really the stock always traded between these two channel lines or trend lines. It never went out of it. So we can see here it almost went over, maybe just a bit, but it came right back in. Now here it exited a bit, but came right back in. Here it really pretty much touched and bounced right off the top channel line. The same thing here, bounced off here to the downside and bounced back off. And you could do the same thing for downwards channels, but I won't really be explaining the downward channels because they're pretty much the same thing. There are also horizontal channels, really pretty self-explanatory, and I'm actually going to cover a video of very basic techniques you can use to trade using channel lines. This is a pretty good example here. As we saw, basically during that period of time, the stock is always trading within a certain range, which is what we called a trend line. And right at this point, instead of bouncing back off like it was doing for quite a while here, the stock actually exited the channel line and started trading higher. And we could actually use these kind of events in the markets to make money, but this is for another video. So I hope you guys learned a few things. Once again, very basic video. I will be uploading more in-depth videos about indicators such as the RSI, MACD, and the moving averages, but this was really a basic video.